Hey friends, it's Bart here. I want you to know how much I miss playing in front of you, and we'll be back soon. I hope you see a lot of silver linings and that you discover a lot of really good things about yourself during I would characterize as very challenging times. I mean, hell, I actually had to learn how to play the harmonica because I got no band. I miss my band, and this song goes out to my band. Some John Prine for you.
Come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. You crossed the evil line today. Well, how can you risk about tomorrow when you ain't got a word to say? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.
Y'all stay safe. Miss ya. See you really, really soon.